Hi guys, welcome to SFDC scenarios. Today we will see how to construct a JSON structure with the help of map. Okay, we are not going to touch a JSON parse. These all methods. Simply we are going to build it with the help of map. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first let me show you the structure. Okay, so this is a simple JSON structure. Okay, so this is a root. Data is a root. Okay, under we have two states. One is AP and other one is Telangana. Okay, if I click on AP, again, multiple keys and multiple values. Okay, if I click on TS, multiple keys and multiple values. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, okay, let me write the code in the notepad. Okay, so we have a data. Okay, under data, let's assume that it's a root node. Okay, a root. Under this, again we have keys, and again we have, if you click on it, multiple keys and multiple values, right? Multiple keys and multiple values. Okay, so now let me go back to the developer console. Let me write the code here. Okay, so map of string. Okay, so this string is going to be a data. Okay, a root. Okay, and map of string. Okay, so this string is going to be state name. Okay, so let me go to the developer console. Okay, so this one. Okay, and again we have multiple keys and multiple values, right? Okay, let me, so what I'll do is AP will have multiple cities in this scenario, right? So let's assume that this is a AP. Okay, it's going to have multiple cities, right? So now what I'll do is I'll put map of string of object. Okay, so let me count how many base. One, two, one, two, three. Okay, fine. Okay, so let me name it as map data new. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'm going to construct AP state and TS state. Okay, okay, so now let me create a map of string of map of string of object. Okay, so states data. Okay, equal to new. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to construct two maps. Okay, so one is for Telangana state and other one is for Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so now what I'll do is let me create one more map of string of object. Okay, ts output map equal to new map of string of object. Okay, for this what I'll do is I'm going to add keys and values to it. Okay, let me copy this, put off, let me copy it and paste it two more times, since we are going to insert three keys and three values. Okay, so this is a key. Okay, and Hyderabad. Okay, let me add N and then M. So this is going to be Nizamabad. Okay, and let me add one more key and one more value. So this is going to be Karimnagar. Karimnagar. Okay, okay. So this is for Telangana state. Okay, let me create one more map. So that is going to be for Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so map of string comma object. Okay, AP output map equal to new map of string of object. Okay, so now let me copy this. We are going to add multiple keys and multiple values to it. Put ONG, Ongol, put SKD. So the value is going to be Singarayakunda. Let me put one more key and one more value. So this is going to be SNP, Sanampudi. Okay, so now we have created two maps. So this is for Andhra Pradesh. Sorry, this is for Telangana and this is for Andhra Pradesh. Okay, now what I'll do is I'm going to add the data to states data. Okay, here what I'll do is, okay, if it is a TS, I'm going to put TS map. If it is a AP, then I'll be just adding the data to it. Okay, first let me copy the states data dot put off. Okay, under TS, I'm going to add TS output map. Okay, let me copy it one more time. Okay, so this is going to be AP. Okay, AP, and then let me copy the AP output map. Okay, so we have added the data to this map. Now, what I'll do is, okay, let me go back to the JSON viewer. Okay, so we have done with AP and TS. Now, if you see, if you look at this diagram, okay, if you look at this JSON structure, these all nodes are present under data. Now what I'm going to do is, okay, I will put all these values under map data. Okay, so map data dot put off. Okay, so this is going to be data. Under data, I'm going to add states data. Okay, so now let me put debug here, data in the map. Okay, so now I'm going to convert this map into a JSON format. Okay, how we can do it in Salesforce? Okay, so by using serialize, JSON dot serialize. Okay, so let me copy the reference. Let me execute it. Okay, let me click on debug and let me copy the output and let me paste it in the JSON viewer. Let me go to the text and let me come here. See here. So this is a root node. Under this we have AP state and Telangana state. Under AP we have multiple keys and multiple values, right? Under TS we have multiple keys and multiple values. Okay. So now what I'll do is I'll just add some. I'll just iterate this data. We'll just add one condition and we'll check whether it is getting entered into a particular block or not. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'm going to add for loop here. So object, okay, it will support all the data types. Obj, I'm going to iterate map data. Okay, so I want to iterate among multiple values. How to get the values from the map data dot values. Okay, so now what I'll do is, okay, so I'm going to typecast it since I want to access, since I want to get the keys and the value. Okay, so map1 equal to map of string of object. I'm going to convert this object into a particular format, key and value. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll check for AP node. If it is present, then we will simply print some system dot. Then we'll just print some dummy message. Okay. So now let me print what is present in the map one data in the map one. And let me print this. Let me click on execute. So unexpected token. So where are we getting this? So this is fine. Okay, let me give some space. Let me click on execute. Still we are getting this map one. So this is fine. This is fine. And let me check the syntax. Okay. Let me click on execute. Unexpected token. Okay, right. We have missed this. Let me click on execute. Okay, I think this is not required. Let me remove it. Okay. And let me click on execute. Let me go to the developer console. Okay, so data in the map. See, we are getting AP data and TS data, right? Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll just check for AP key. Okay, let me. Okay, now what I'll do is okay. So if map one dot contains key of okay, let me check whether AP node is present or not. Okay, so let me go back to the JSON viewer. So AP is uppercase letter. Anyways, Apex is not a case sensitive language. Okay, so let me put AP. If it is present, I'm going to print some debug. Okay, so AP node is present in the map. Okay, let's say if it is not present, then what we'll do is we are going to print else block. The node is, or let me just change it. Node is present in the map. Node is not present in the map. Let me click on execute here. Okay, let me go to the developer console. Let's see what it prints here. Node is present in the map. Now what I'll do is I'm going to give some different value here, different key here. Okay, let me put PPP. Let me click on execute. Now it's going to enter into the else block. See, node is not present in the map. Okay, so let me explain one more time. Okay, map of string. So this is going to be a data. Under the data, we have multiple states. Okay, AP and TS. So AP will have multiple keys and multiple values. TS will have multiple keys and multiple values. Okay, so first what I did is I just constructed TS map and AP map. Okay, so map of string under TS, I have added TS data. Under AP, I have added AP data, right? After that, what I did is I just added this data, states data to map data, okay? And I have iterated the data. So map data dot value, since I just want to get the values of data node, okay? So this data will not come, okay? So let me go back to the output, okay? See here, data in the map, AP, PS. Okay. So now what I did is I just typecasted it, okay, because it is in the form of object. Okay, if you try to access, if you try to check the value, then I just converted it to a specific format since I want to check the key. Okay, so if the key is present, then I just printed some dummy message in the console, or else it will enter into the system dot, or else it will enter into the else block. That's it. Thank you guys.